No, 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 no. Wait, 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 wait. Wait, 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 wait.
Oh! Oh my god! Oh! No! Get the camera!
Get back to work! I said get back to work! What?
Oh shit, not good.
But what the hell? We not kill you.
Whoa! What the hell?
Bacon burger.
What the hell? Oh my god, no way.
The fuck? Boy, what the hell, boy? No!
is apparently now a way to stop getting ads on your iPhone. I hope this still works. Firstly, I got Opera on my phone. Let's load up some videos and see if I get any ads. What? It works that easy? Wait, let me try another video. I wasn't expecting that to work, I'm not gonna lie. What else can Opera do? I found an AI called Aria built into the browser, which is free to use. I tested it for a few minutes and it did a great job helping me solve my dumb questions by adding links I can click. Along with that,
Didn't see you there. Oh, what's this cool merch I have? Well, it's my new merch I've just dropped. Make sure to cop it and join my Roblox group while you're at it.